So there are many video recorders these days. You have the likes of Shortcut, Viva Video, Blender, InSHOT, KineMaster, or some people call it KineMaster. Which other ones do we have? Quite a number of video editors. I am for some for Mac, some for Android. You have Quick. Quick is another one that is simple and nice to use. There's GoPro, Boomerang, all sorts of things. I've tried quite a few, but we'll go to InShot. When you go to we go to your Play Store and you look for InShot, which is what we're going to talk about today. So when you look for InShot, it's a video editor and video maker. You can see the second one here, and then you will see here, and it will tell you to install it. Then you install. I'm already installed mine, so you will still arrive at this page, and then you open the up InShot. So this is what it looks like. So let's start from the beginning. When you want to create a new video, you have video here, you have photos, so you can put a graphic here and then you can put some text over it. You have collage where you can put more than one image on it. And then in your video, you can put a video there. You can also put slides like graphics and then record over it. You also have some assets here where you can just decorate and make your stuff look good. But we are going to go quickly over simple video creation. So if you want to do a simple video, you would have recorded your video already, and then you click on video. So you can, these are the videos I've done before, so you can save drafts. You can see I have 43 drafts there. But when you want a new video, you just pick up your new video, click on the plus sign, and then you go to your gallery, and then you pick up anything that you like. So what should I pick? When you pick an image that looks nice and the lighting is good and the sound and the audio very, very good, should I pick this one where I was at a party this weekend, my first outing? So look at it. Here I am at the party. Now, if you look down, you will see all those icons. You will see canvas, music, sticker, text, filter, trim, split, delete, background, speed, crop, volume, duplicate, rotate, and flip. So all these ones are functionalities that you can actually use. Now, I've come to the end of the video, so you can go back up to the video. So this video is currently 25 seconds long. You can see it at the end. However, when you're doing a video, you need to understand that there are different layouts. So what we have for Instagram, the size of the images or the video on Instagram is different from the one on Facebook, different from the one on TikTok or any other place. So if you have the canvas, if you click on canvas here, you will see here, you can pinch your picture to come out or in, make it smaller to have a border, whatever it is that you want. But for YouTube is 16:9, for example. This is for Instagram, and this is for Instagram stories 4:5, TikTok 9:16, and other sizes. If you're not sure of the size, just Google it and figure out which one that you want. So, or you have no frame at all. If you have no frame at all, you can move in and out by just using the slider. However you want your image to look like, you can figure that out. So you can see how they all look on here. So this video was recorded in portrait. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to pick another picture. I'm going to click the plus sign and pick another video, because your video should be recorded in landscape, not portrait. So it should not be the way you're holding your phone now. It should be portrait, and I'll put a portrait on there now. So let me look for a portrait. So this is a portrait, for example. You see, this is landscape 16. You can use this on YouTube. You can use it on Instagram. You can use it on Facebook. So here it is. So I'll click the tick sign, and then I'll click the tick sign again. But at the top, you see video, photo, all. So you can pick videos from here. If I want to add a photo, I can still add a photo if I want. I can add this agbalumo. People know I love agbalumas. and then it will come on board. So you can see this is the video that I have here. I've just added that, and at the end, really, I should have my fruit at the end of my video. I'm just scrolling at the bottom, and here it is. So if I play the video, go back to the top. I don't want this video anymore. So you can see 1, 2, 3. So that one that I don't want anymore is selected. I'll click on delete. So you can see trim, speed, rotate, flip, copy, and delete. So I'm just going to delete it because I do not want it anymore. So I'm going to stop my data now because it's interrupting. So this is what it looks like. So when I want to edit my video, you can see how beautifully clean and neat and nice the lighting is. Everything looks good on there. I can choose to add music. If I add music, I can go to my my own tracks. I'll pick music. So if I want to pick music, I'll go to featured, my music. You can see that at the top. Then I can just pick the first one. For example, if I choose the first one and use it, I can choose it. So I've added it, and you can see the purple line there. If I want to edit it, I click on it, and I click on edit at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4 from the left, and I can edit the video. I can make it start anywhere I want. I can fade it in or fade it out. I can reduce the volume so it's not too high over my own. I can reduce it to 1, 2, 4, whatever it is that I want. I can do that. Okay. Next, I will tick as well. I will tick to put it back. I can add a sticker. So if I want to add an emoji, I can add a sticker here. Can you see the sticker? Or you can bring your own sticker from out of the presets there. So I can bring something that I've done before. So we have the Posh teacher here, for example. You can bring that in. You can bring that in if you want. Tick, and you will see the two. Can you see the two yellow horizontal bars? You can make it as long as you want, however long you want for the videos, whatever you want it to stop. The same applies for text. So you can see text, just click the plus sign, and you can just put www, for example, Le Posh School. It's pre-populated here. And then I can bring it down. Can you see? I can edit it by clicking edit. 1, 2, 3, edit. I can change the font. I can just, this is all about playing around. I can go here and change it to red if I want. If I want to put a border around it that is black, I can do that. I want it to have a shadow, I can do that. Label, opacity, just play around with it, whatever you want. And then you can then tick. So if you want to duplicate the video at the end, you can duplicate it, you can copy, but we don't need all that here. So we just tick. Can you see that? If you want to add filters, you can add filters. There are some preset filters already. You can choose any one that you want. Even if you want black and white, you can do that. Or you can just adjust little by little your contrast. You can add, you can highlight if you want. You can sharpen your image if you want. Whatever it is that you want, you can do that, okay? All right. Then, once you're done with that, if this is what you have chosen, this filter, I'm not keen on the filters because the lighting was perfect, so I've gone back to my original. You can split your video in the middle. So you can use split. You can split it here. You see, that's cut the video into 2. You can also trim your video. If you click on trim, this video will play. So you can choose to reduce it, trim it, however. You can choose to cut it. You see your video, okay? So we're not cutting, all right? And then you can delete, like we've used delete, and then you can change the background. Maybe we can change the background to yellow if we want. Ooh, nice, beautiful. You can make it blurry if you want. Just play. It's all about playing around with these things. You can use gradients if you want at the bottom. It's all about playing with it. You can speed up your video. You can speed up your video, make it faster. So if you want to speak faster, it will you can speak faster. So let's just cancel that. If you want to crop your video, it will give you the borders. You can crop it anyhow you want. The volume speaks for itself. If you want to duplicate this one more time, you can. If you want to flip, you click on flip. So I was on one side, now I'm on the other side. And if you want to freeze, you can also freeze on here. It is really up to you what you want to do. And that is pretty much basic use of InSHOT. And this is how you work with many other videos. Now, once you're done with your editing and you've put whatever it is you want, you can then save at the top. So you click on save. So when you save, you can save the quality of the video at 240, 640, 720, 1080. It's recommended that you use 720, and then it will actually convert that video for you, but I don't want to do that. Once you've converted the video, you can post to your social media. I don't do that. I first of all save it and watch it first so that I know what's going on, that everything looks good, if I don't need to edit it again. And that is how you use basic InSHOT. I hope this has been very useful and hasn't taken too much of your time. Please drop a comment and let me know how helpful it was and which video you want me to create, and do subscribe to the channels for more tutorials. God bless you. RonkePosh. See you soon. Bye.